Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the audio file and a visual to pair with it. This is required because WhatsApp status accepts only video. Once done, open a converter app or your phone's screen recorder. Make sure the final clip is 30 seconds or shorter. WhatsApp will otherwise trim or split it. You want clear audio levels, so normalize or increase gain if needed. Begin creating the video now. Import the audio and image, then export as an MP4 in landscape or 16:9 for best compatibility. You now convert the audio into a shareable video. Open a lightweight editor, add the static image as the visual track, then place your audio beneath it. Once arranged, set the duration to match the audio and confirm the aspect ratio. WhatsApp handles vertical or 16:9, but vertical looks better on phones. Export using MP4 with H.264 encoding and a reasonable bitrate. After export, play the file from your gallery to confirm audio integrity and duration before uploading to WhatsApp status. You're ready to post. Open WhatsApp, go to Status, tap Add, and choose the exported MP4 from your gallery. Add text or stickers, check Privacy, My Contacts, or Selected, then post. If WhatsApp trims unexpectedly, make a new 30-second clip or split into parts. If the status has no audio, make sure device volume is up, re-export the file with H.264 codec, or use screen recording while playing the audio with mic enabled. That single tip fixes most playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.